So a lot of people are concerned that when they default on their debt, they're not able to pay their debt, they haven't paid their debt, perhaps they've been sued by a creditor and they're just concerned about depositing money in the bank account. Creditor can only take money out of your bank account if it's your actual bank that you owe the money to. So if you've defaulted on a Bank of America credit card and you have a Bank of America bank account, then obviously they can set off that money. That's pretty rare though. So most people are just concerned in general that they're getting these lawsuits coming in, and so can they take money out of my bank account? The answer is no, they can't. Your money's safe. Nobody can get in there unless there's a judgment against you. So if there's a final judgment, lawsuit, you went through the lawsuit, the final court date was had, and there's a judgment against you, then yes, then there's the garnishment that can happen against your bank account. Garnishment or receivership are names that are used, and these things can seize funds in your bank account. But nobody knows how much money you have in the bank account, right? And they don't even know where you bank unless there's a history of you banking there. So the best thing to do is, the moral of the story is, if you're in this situation and you have a judgment or you have an impending judgment, get a different bank account somewhere else, not the one that you've been with. I've been with Wells Fargo for 20 years. I love that bank. Just get another bank account that you haven't done business with for that many years. And it'll be a little bit more difficult probably for them to find out where the bank account is. In fact, get a couple of different bank accounts, spread the money around, because it's not some fishing pole or net that they cast in and it scoops up all the different bank accounts. It's only like that if you have a bank at this particular bank and they filed a garnishment, then that money's frozen, but they don't even know how much you have in there. So maybe you only have $50. If you're in this situation, you definitely need to talk to me, a bank or another bankruptcy attorney in Texas. I'm a bankruptcy attorney in Texas, to find out and get good advice. But if you just want some quick answer about what you should do if you have a judgment against you or a lawsuit, now you can kind of just go into this with less stress, knowing like, hey, my money's going to be okay unless this, or this, and these are the things I can do to maybe protect myself.